Good morning, respected subject teacher. I, Sharuna, roll number 10, is hereby to present a presentation on the topic Impact of COVID-19 on Education. I would like to start up by an acknowledgement. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my respected subject teacher Sanjay sir, who gave me the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic Impact of COVID-19 on Education. I come to know about many new things and research about the topic. And secondly, I would also like to thank my parents and friends who helped me a lot in finalizing this project within the limited time frame. Thank you. Further, let me highlight my content, which includes introduction, impact of COVID-19, impact of COVID-19 on education, advantages and disadvantages of online education, and conclusion. Introduction. I have included three topics: education, schools, and COVID 19. Education, as we all know, it is a process of facilitating learning or the acquisition of knowledge, which makes a human being a resourceful being. And school is an educational institute designed to provide learning space. And like talking about the virus named COVID-19, according to World Health Organization, it is an infectious disease, a type of virus known to cause respiratory infection in humans, and it started spreading by a place named Wuhan in China on December 2019. Further, let me talk about the impact of COVID 19, which is good and bad. Talking about the bad impact of COVID 19, number one, many people lose their lives and the life of their loved ones. Secondly, talking about our developing country, India, which lost its economy. About 32,000 crore were lost every day in the lockdown. Unemployment rose about 6.7 to 26%, and 53% of the business were affected. Thirdly, it also affected the educational system as we were shifted to online learning system, which was not so familiar in the country like India. Fourthly, the efficiency of performing a task of a person were lost because there were ample of unresourceful times for them to waste. Talking about good impact, as the quotation says, in every seeds of bad there is always a piece of good. And talking about the good aspects, we all have understood the value of relationship, the value of life, and the value of spending time with our loved ones. And secondly, many good habits like washing hands properly, staying hygienic, using face masks and hand sanitizer, taking self-care were implemented by us. Further, impact of COVID-19 on education were talking about the dates like 12 January 2021 to approximately 825 million learners are currently affected, and 23 countries are currently implementing nationwide closure and 40 are implementing local closure. 47% of the world student population and 112 countries schools are currently open. So it was a huge bad impact of COVID-19 on education, as the COVID-19 pandemic has affected educational system worldwide, and in general having fewer educational options has globally impacted people with less money, while people with more money have found education. New online programs have shifted to labor of education from schools to families and individuals, and consequently people everywhere who relate on school rather than computers and home life have had difficulty accessibility their education. So this was a bad impact in the poorer people who are not accessibility to phones or laptops. Further, talking about advantages and disadvantages of online education, talking about the advantages, as online learning system is learning in full virtual environment, the advantages are two: efficiency and accessibility of time and places. Efficiency, as the teacher can use tools like PDF files, podcast, videos in order to educate their student. It is more effective way, efficiency way to educate the student. Secondly, accessibility of time and places. The teacher can teach a student by sitting in any places, whether it is home or in whichever places. And further, talking about the disadvantages, the inability to focus on screen, technology issue and sense of isolation were the disadvantages of online learning system. And last but not the least one, let me conclude my topic by saying that negative everything has negative and positive impact. And till now in our lives, we all know about the loss of many things which were valuable, and about the threat and disappointment added as a problem to us. But let us not get weak and hope for the betterment, cause we must accept finite disappointment but never lose infinite hope to succeed. And life is all about experiencing logic and illogic things. As if you want to grow strong, you will find hurdles, uncertain problems, and unprepared challenges. But as I have mentioned before, we must be able to change difficulty times into an opportunity, because when you focus on problems, you will have more problems. But when you focus on possibility, you will have more opportunity. And let us focus on the beautiful life lesson which the pandemic crisis has teaches us, as knowing the value of time and life of a person, following the rules and regulation which is created for our benefit, having a hope and focusing on possibilities and not in problems, loving, caring for oneself and for our loved ones. So let's pray and have a positive hope in our heart for brightest tomorrow, because difficulty roads often lead to beautiful destination. Thank you and have a great day ahead.